Today, I am visiting Sarasota Audubon Society Celery Fields. It's a great location for wildlife viewing. Did you ever wonder what these apartment-type birdhouses are that you see sitting atop 12 to 18-foot poles? Well, they are man-made housing for purple martins. Native Americans began the tradition many years ago, placing hollow gourds in trees. Today, we will see the purple martins' birdhouses being cleaned by Audubon volunteers at Celery Fields on the west coast of Florida.
Did I explain about the netting?
No.
That's a snake trap.
Okay.
About 2 months ago, we had a 3.5-foot snake in one of the gourds. It had eaten 11 eggs and one baby.
They should be pretty young. Yeah. Okay. Here's 3 of the babies.
Oh my God. Look at that.
See, their feathers are starting to come out. Now,
This is a poop sack.
yeah, and what happens, the parents will remove that.
Oh.
And sometimes they eat that. And the reason why they eat that is that it passes through the baby so quickly that there's still nutrients in it. And the birds are so busy getting insects to feed their young that they don't have time to feed themselves. We should put some nesting material in here, keep them protected, and we're going to add nesting material because, there you go.
Here, a couple leaves too for you. Yeah.
As they get older, they scramble a lot. They actually will break those pine needles down.
Little nest they made and their eggs are in there.
That's so cool.
And a lot of times they'll cover their eggs with the leaves to keep it from predators seeing them.
And also,
Oh, they look pretty.
The 4 babies are getting their feathers.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see them?
Yeah. Those
what's the fluid state on those?
how old are they?
Yeah, look at, they have no feathers.
Oh my goodness.
Just starting. If you look at the very end, you see the little feathers poking out.
Yeah.
Birds are really amazing things, and after about 5 days, they don't come back in and sleep in the gourds in the house anymore, but they will come and perch on the house and on the porches.
Okay.
Actually, gourd juice came about from Native American Indians. Now, gourds would be good, so they'd string them on lines in
So
there.
they have vents on here, so that way you don't get water in there and there's still airflow and stuff. So we keep them down so the water doesn't get in when it rains.
In the beginning of the season, we just have flat caps because we need warmth in there.
What's that red one?
You gotta have muscles to wind this up.
This crank is the hardest part.
Do you want to add the finish that, Randy?
I would have done it.
Okay, Randy, are you good on the chain and the lock?
Yeah.
Okay. Once known as Big Camp Sawgrass and Tatum Sawgrass, the area of Celery Fields project was drained in the late 1880s and converted from sawgrass marsh to agriculture.
we see. Let's see if we see any alligators and some unique birds out here. So this is a pretty cool place. Hi, this is the end of this video. Please post a comment and tell me what you thought about the video. We've been visiting Celery Fields here in Sarasota County in Sarasota, the west coast of Florida. It's a nature preserve. Thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.